For today's travel diary, I am taking you somewhere a little bit far. A place that's not really on my bingo card this year, but the universe said go, so I went. And I'm bringing you along with me to see one of the most beautiful lakes in the world. In 6 full days, I've seen insane views I never even knew existed. I got to ride horses, hop on a magical chairlift up to a snowy mountain, and experience a lot of first times, including my first real snowfall. Something I always thought I'd have in a country we all grew up hearing about. So get ready for a long flight because this is gonna be fun. Let's fly and go to Almaty, Kazakhstan. Guys, nagsasnow ngayon. I'm so happy. We're now here in Big Almaty Lake. Guys, good evening. We're currently here at the airport. It's 7:09. Kasama ko na si Jai. Hello! Hulaan niyo kung saan kami pupunta. Si Phil and Kai.
Secret!
We're going to Switzerland!
Something unique na hindi pa nakikita.
Yes.
Yeah.
We are going to your dream destination.
Yes.
9 hours flight plus 4 hours.
Oh my God!
Yun ang hint natin.
Yes.
Yes.
And no visa, guys.
Yes.
No visa needed. And only AirAsia flies there.
Yes.
Wow!
Tama. Ay,
Oh, from the Philippines. Via Kuala Lumpur.
God.
Yarn! Only AirAsia has fly-through experience from Manila to Almaty. Pero dadaan pa rin kayo ng KL kasi wala pa rin talagang direct flight going there. Guys, good evening. It's currently 8:32 p.m. And magkakasama na kami, AirAsia Traveler Squad. Actually, kalahati lang kasi si Kyle and si Phil. Nandun sila sa lounge. Tapos ngayon naman, dito na si Florence. Hi guys! It's Ralph Austria. Si Ralph Austria, si Jai. I'm back again. Yes, and si Tel. Evening guys, it's currently 11:44 and nandito na tayo ngayon sa airplane. I'm so happy kasi window seat tayo. Pero mas masaya ako kasi wala tayong katabi. I'm so happy. Si KJ nasa kabilang dulo. Guys, makakalis tayo. Punta pa lang tayo sa Malaysia and I am praying na ganito ulit yung situation from Kuala Lumpur to Almaty. Hihiga ako mamaya. Good morning everyone, it's past 3 a.m. and malapit na kami mag-land sa Kuala Lumpur. Later, mag-check-in tayo sa Chun Hotel. Kapag stay na tayo dun before, sleep lang tayo saglit, freshen up, and then another flight later ng 11 a.m. from Kuala Lumpur to Almaty. Guys, fill up kayo ng MDAC. Lagi ko na lang yung ano. Yun yung nasa Viber na. Sila pala kausap mo. Yun yung Malaysia Digital Arrival Card. Baka mali yung link na i-click nyo. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box. Kasi may isang link dyan na pinagbabayad kayo ng, don't know, $50. Walang bayad yung arrival card ni Malaysia. We are now here again at Chun Hotel. Check-in lang kami tapos tulog tayo. Pero may breakfast dito guys. It's currently 4:27 a.m. and 6 mag-start yung breakfast. We are now here at Chun Hotel. Tutulugan lang namin to ni Ralphie. As in, super nandito na lahat ng kailangan nyo. Guys, kinakabahan ako na na-excite because finally, pupunta na tayo sa dream destination natin.
Crystal clean.
Hello, it's currently 12:47. Nasa airplane na tayo. We're going to Almaty, guys. So, all you need is your passport. Wala na kayong ihahan ng mga visa and everything. I just wish na gumagana to. Pero, nakapatay siya. So, feeling ko, hindi siya gumagana. Wala rin akong nakikitang Type-C na charger. So, good luck sa atin, guys. Here's the legroom. Pwede nyo ibaba to, yung stepper. Like that. Pero nilagay ko dun yung bag ko. I'm so happy kasi window seat tayo. Makikita natin yung view ng Almaty mamaya.
We're about to land. Isa pang tulog.
Guys, we're about to land in Almaty. Grabe, sobrang ganda na ng view.
Ganda, figure ko ng lamig. Oh.
Dito sa left side, pag galing kang Kuala Lumpur, wala ka ganong view. Pero pag nandun ka sa right side, andun yung view. So, yun yung i-book nyo pag papunta kayo ng Almaty. Pero ngayon, nag-approach na kami, palapit na kami ng palapit. Medyo gumaganda na din yung view dito sa Kalua.
Yeah.
Ganda! OMG!
Hinawakan namin yung window and it's cold already. Nakikita rin namin yung snow mountains. We're so excited. We're near Almaty. 2 hours or 1.5 hours.
Yeah! Nakapila kami now kasi merong free SIM card dito sa airport. 1 gig lang pero. So all we need is our passport and then your phone. Nakapag-withdraw na ako. Nandito kami ngayon sa ATM machine. This is 100,000 tenge and is equivalent to 11,100 pesos. Yun yung nabawas sa card ko. I'm using BDO and yung service charge is 209 pesos. Itatry ni Kobe yung go time niya para ma-compare natin kung mas mura ba yung service charge. Nag-book na lang kami ng InDrive, guys. You can download InDrive and also yung Yandex app. Yun yung version nila ng Grab and Uber. Mas mura doon. You can also get a taxi. Pero may mga scam kasi daw ng taxi dito. So, para sure, download na lang kayo ng app.
I wrote a note to Sunday symptoms like how I forget, and on Monday forgot I had.
Wait! Ikaw mag-judge kung aabot yung shower. Dali na. Okay, ito yung pinaproblema namin. Problema number 1. Guys, welcome to our room for 5 days. Dito kami ni Ralphie. Dito kami nagstay sa Ozen Palace. 13.1 kilometers away from the airport and malapit na tayo sa center. And here's our room. Walang bidet, pero abot yung shower. Hindi na tayo mga problema.
May full body mirror.
Oo nga, bongga yan.
Ganda yung topic natin.
Guys, kakauwi lang namin ni Ralph. It's currently 12 a.m.
Kaya mo ng shampoo.
Andyan sa kulay pink.
Thank you.
Go lang. Guys, diba naghahanap kami ng adapter? Wala kaming mahanap. Kasalanan namin kasi hindi namin naalalang magdala. Alam nyo, lagi yun nasa gamit ko. Pero nakalimutan ko siya ngayon. Anyway, na-figure out ni Ralph na meron palang saksakan sa CR. Samantalang kakakit ko lang, iniwan ko yung mga gamit ko kay Lajay sa room nila. Para doon ako makicharge. Problem solved. I can now sleep in peace.
It's our official day! Dapat nag-rock ako!
Ang dami naman problema kagabi, pero lahat nasolusyonan na. I'm so proud of ourselves and today we are going to
Shibulak Mountain!
Sabi natin yung energy. Morning guys! We're on our way now to Shimbolak Mountain. From our hotel, around 1 hour yung biyahe. 6 naman kami, so nag-book na kami sa InDrive. Set up nyo na yung InDrive nyo, tsaka yung Yandex Go app. Kasi pag nandito, ang hirap mag-send ng OTP dun sa Yandex. So dapat dyan pa lang sa Pilipinas nakaset up. Good morning! Here's our fit. Guys, alam niyo, sobrang mura ng Grab dito. Yung pupuntahan namin around 1 hour away. Parang ano lang, 500. Tama ba kayo? 500 pesos guys. Kung sa atin yun, mas mahal. Mga 1.5 na siguro. Hi everyone! Dito na kami sa sa cable car. Paakyat sana sa Shimbolak Mountain kasi sarado siya hanggang sa 17. Di ba Kyle?
Yeah, hanggang 17.
So na, nagbubook kami ni Kyle. Si Kyle lang pa lang.
It's 8:50 Tengek.
Tenge. Mas mura dun.
Going up to the Shibulak Resort. 3 minutes
Yes.
away.
3 minutes away.
So,
Mas scenic sana kung mag-try natin yung cable car, but I think this is not the time for us. Makakabalik daw kasi tayong lahat dito para mag-cable car. Pero for now, magta-taxi muna tayo guys. So simula dito, sa bilihan ng ticket, 3 minutes drive, paakyat mismo. Sayang yung cable car! Sayang, kasi fall ngayon. So sobrang scenic sana nung cable car ride. Hi Lord! Feeling ko papabalikin mo kami dito and this time kasama na namin si JC. Kasi guys, tingnan nyo kung ano yung makikita nyong view pagka sumakay kayo ng cable car. Yan sana yung view nyo. Kitang-kita yan. Pati dito may cable car din. OMG, it's so pretty sana.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows are capturing. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my
Maghanap muna kami ng barya guys para may papasaya tayo.
can't make it through. Every night is the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my
Open daw pala yung cable car dun sa taas. So, matatry natin. Pero magta-taxi muna tayo paakyat kung saan man yung jump off point. Sorry, Ralph.
sino ba sasama-sama?
Guys, ito yung Edelweiss. We made it, guys! Thank you so much! Guys, we made it! Tingnan nyo! Sasakay tayo dyan. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Tingnan nyo yung mountain. Hindi pa yata nila official winter, pero may snow na dito sa taas. Guys, sobrang ganda. I wanna live here. Bibili na kami ng ticket sa
cable car, guys. Bukas naman pala yung cable car dito sa taas. Yung mga nasa baba lang yung close hanggang 7. One ticket. Yes.
Now in the work on the only tile lift.
Okay.
Up and down, 1% in the 4,000.
4,000.
Yeah.
Nakabili na ako ng ticket, guys. 4,000 tenge siya. So, around 430 pesos. Yung opening hours, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So, kailangan na natin umakyat doon kasi anong oras na. Kasama ko si Flo. Follow niyo si Flo. Nag-YouTube ka din mo? Florence Scott. Nag-YouTube ka din?
Medyo.
Medyo. It's time. Kamili na kami. Mag-solo kami ni Flo. Pero magkakasunod lang kami ng pwesto for sure. Hindi ko alam guys kung mapa-fly ko yung drone ko dito. Kasi dun sa area kanina, meron dong view deck. Tapos may nag-o-offer ng drone shots. So, babayaran nyo. Pero, nakita ko kasi yung angle ng drone nila. Parang hindi ko magagamit. Wow! Gusto ko kasi mag-drone ng view talaga.
Sit.
Oh, sorry.
Glenn, stay.
Oh, okay. Here?
Yeah. My second side.
I don't know how.
Pull down. Run on left side.
Oh my God, guys. Shucks, start na pala kaagad. Oh my. Is this safe? Medyo masungit sila. Ayaw nila ng babagal-bagal. Oh my gosh, guys. We are here. Hi. Ang ganda. Look. Hi. Ang ganda. Hala, yung Christmas tree.
Kamusta ka?
Hello, kamusta? Cute! May foreigner, sabi kamusta daw ako. I'm alone here. I wish you were here, JC, my love. Guys, look. Nakakatakot guys kasi wala kayong harness. As in, nakaupo lang kayo. Hindi rin kayo nakabelt. Meron lang nito. Mas umangat pa siya. Oh my gosh. Guys, nagsasnow ngayon. I'm so happy. Guys, may snow. First snowfall ko to. Oh, look. Oh, Lord, thank you so much. Look, sobrang ganda. Ang ganda. Nag-solo muna ako like this para meron kayong space sa kanan ko at sa kaliwa. Isipin nyo na lang, katabi ko kayo ngayon. Wish you were here, babe. Sana kasama ko dun sila, mama. Hi!
This is as good a day as any to start.
Natatakot ako ng very light pag dumadaan dito. Kasi umaalog siya. Like this?
On left side.
Oh shucks, 1, 2, 3, go. Kinaya ko. Guys, look at that! Nandito na tayo sa taas ng Shimbulak! This is my first snow ever. Kaya magpapapicture na ako dun sa mga nagtitake ng photos dito professionally kasi ang gaganda. Thank you, sir. What's your name, sir?
My name is Rasul.
Hello! It's so cold! Whew. Look, guys. Hinawakan yung kamay ko, te. Kinilig ako. Charis.
Okay. This show me smile camera. This nice phone. This camera.
Daw. Hindi ko alam kung isa lang ibibigay nila or what. I'm good now! Pumili ako guys. 2,000 tenge daw yung picture. Look, hi! Nagpa-print ako 3 photos. 2,000 ng isa guys. So that's around 200. pesos plus. Tapos makukuha ko yung soft copy. Alam mo, guys, gusto ko sana mag-drone. Pero hindi ako nakapag-secure ng permit. Diba? Kita niyo ba? Tignan niyo dyan tayo galing sa baba, oh. Ayan yung mountain. Hindi pa siya fully covered ng snow, pero maraming areas na kayo na pwedeng lakaran na may snow. Hello! I'm so happy to be here!
I used to jump without looking.
Nagdaano sila.
Didn't care if I fell too.
Humiga sila sa snow. Oh.
Now I keep my hands in my pocket.
Hi! What's your name?
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue. Come my way, my room is a mess. It could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight.
O-order ako guys ngayon ng chicken alfredo. So, yung o-orderin ko is 6,590 tenge and that's around 700 pesos. Yan yung order ni Jai guys. Tinapay. Bread is life. Pa-bread ka ba? Hindi. Gutom lang. Hindi ako mahilig sa pasta, pero dahil ito lang yung kilala ko sa menu nila. Ito yung in-order ko. Order nila na naninigas na. Ano ba mo? Tikma ko ito. Tapos ang sour cream. Na hindi sour. Postcard. Ang ganda-ganda, sobra. Ano kayang feeling na dito ka nakatira? Kasama ko na si Ralphie, guys. Kasama ko. Sa'yo, shit, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Paano makabalik tayo dito kasama mo kami? Welcome to Almaty! Ganda! Thank you, Lord, and I love you guys. Thank you so much.
Kasi is 1-3 lang. Isipin nyo naman kung 7 tayo. Okay na yan? Isipin nyo 1-3 divided by... Is that
Hindi
all
each
of us?
daw eh,
Okay.
sabi niya.
7?
1,700 pesos each tayo.
No. 12,000 all? Oh, wait.
All tayo! For us, minibus na.
12,000.
Minibus na.
Minibus for all, right? 12,000 for all of
Yeah.
us. Guys, sasakay na kami.
25 lang.
Halika na!
Libre na kayo ni Raul.
12,000 only?
Fake news, no discounts.
Here, asan na? Ay, sige.
Namigay dito ako sa dulo. Cambodia squad.
Good evening, everyone! It's currently 8:20 p.m. here in Almaty. Kakatapos lang natin mag-tour sa Shimbolak Mountain and oh my gosh, hanggang ngayon sobrang vivid pa rin ang memory ko. Good evening, everyone! Naka-order na kami. Dito kami kakain sa Bomba Doner. Ibamba ma! Ibamba ma! Charis! Pero wala silang indoor dining. So, nandito kami sa labas. Nakalimutan ko pa guys mag-leggings. Pero okay lang, kasi parang aircon weather lang din naman siya. Huwag lang lalamig ng bongga-bongga, guys.
So we are here at the best and #1 donor in Almaty. Bomba donor.
Kaya pala bomba, kasi bomb yung big donor nila. I love it. So savory.
Alam mo, hindi mo bagay may fries pa dito.
Dami as pa tissue, baby. Tingin ako tissue.
Pero,
Ayan pa.
Sarap dahil
yeah, sure. Nalamig na ako.
may stress in dry ng lentil soup.
Uy, ang sarap. Gusto mo mag-order? Hindi. Bahati na lang ba tayo? Medyo. Sa'yo na lang.
Yes.
Gusto mo soup ba?
I appreciate this kasi hindi ako mahilig sa mga sauce, yung mga additional na ketchup and mayonnaise. Pero super gusto ko na yung timpla niya. Actually, let me try the meat.
May free na daw na tea. Wow! Thank you, sir!
Tumili, ah. Oo. Sarap. Hindi mo sabi mo confirm. Ayan na yun. Masarap, confirm. Hindi masarap, hindi masarap. Hindi daw masarap.
Tingnan nyo guys, dito muna kami ngayon sa loob ng convenience store. Parang ang sarap nitong wafer nila. And biscuits. Amazing! Tapos may ganyan pa sila oh. Ang kanilang coffee, mga noodles, and pasta. Ito na may mga snack, may milk chocolate. Guys, yun nyo, yan yata yung mga pasalubong dito. Ano yan? Merengue? Tinan mo.
Hi everyone! It's currently 10:31 p.m. here in Almaty. And nakauwi na ako. Grabe, sobrang lamig ng tubig nila. And I'm also breaking out. As you can see, ang sakit nito. Dahil siguro yun sa pagbabago ng weather. And wala pa si Ralph. So, kakatok pa yun si Ralphie kasi isa lang yung ano namin, yung keycard namin. So, ayun lang. And yes, matutulog na ako because tomorrow, maaga tayo para naman sa ating big Almaty tour. I'm so excited. Skincare lang ako guys and good night. I'll end this day na. Bye! Mwah.
Good morning everyone. It's our 3rd day here in Almaty. And here's the fit. Today, our activity is Big Almaty Lake Tour. So, nakapants ako ngayon. And naka-vest kasi malamig tapos magbabike tayo. But I also have a puffer jacket just in case na mas lalamig pa later. And tutulog pa si Ralph kaya ang hina ng boses ko. In-update ko lang talaga kayo guys. Ito yung breakfast natin sa hotel. They also have some rice meals here. Good morning! Guys, tingnan niyo sobrang ganda na ng kulay ng puno. Ito yung paligid ng ano guys, ng hotel natin. We are staying at Ozen Palace Hotel. Medyo ano to, ilang minutes away to dun sa Ascension Cathedral. Mas tahimik dito, pero may mga coffee shop din sa paligid. And look at this. Meron sila ditong parang malaking kanal. Ewan ko kung kanal ba yung tawag dyan. But look at that. Ang lamig ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung ilang degrees ngayon. Ooh, ang ganda. Ang cute nung aso. Marami nag-walk ng dog dito. Tapos ma-fur talaga yung mga dogs nila. Look at that. It's so cute. Hello. Autumn leaves fall on me. Ah! Ang ganda. Ano ba? Ang ganda talaga. Look. Guys, this is the second time naka-experience ako ng autumn. The first one is in Taiwan. Pero isang tree lang yung nakita namin ng autumn, na meron silang mga autumn leaves. But right now, dito sa Almaty, as you can see, look. Ito na yung season nila dito sa city. Pero pag akit nyo sa Shimbulak Mountain,
doon daw, may snow na talaga. Alam nyo, napansin ko na sobrang tahimik dito. Naririnig nyo ba yung mga sasakyan? Mga electric cars yung ginagamit nila. And ang linis-linis dito, wala akong nakikitang kalat. Yung mga kalat lang na nasa sahig nila is yung mga nalaglag na dahon ng puno. Sarap sa feeling maglakad-lakad dito. Hindi ako napapagod kasi ang lamig. Lamig dito, guys. Kakaiba pa yung mga puno nila talaga, as in. Tapos yung mga Christmas tree. Christmas tree talaga. Nakita namin kahapon. Tsaka ngayon din, sa gilid ng kalsada, meron silang mga Christmas tree. OMG, ang ganda ng kulay. Look, guys! Napansin ko yung mga tao dito, ang bagal nila maglakad. Parang wala silang hinahabol na oras. Tapos yung mga mode of transportation dito, either maglalakad kayo or meron silang mga e-scooter. Kapark sila sa mga gilid ng mga walkway. Yun yung mode of transportation. Parang isa-scan mo lang yung QR code and then magta-top up ka. Tapos pwede mo na yun gamitin to roam around. Ang linis-linis dito. Wala akong ibang nakikitang kalat kundi yung mga dahon na nalaglag galing sa magagandang puno na to. Look! Guys, golden era. Look at that. Yan lang yung mga kalat nila. Golden autumn vibes! Look! Uy, ang ganda! Guys, look! May nalaglag. Ang cute! Hello! Ang ganda! Cute! Nalaglag siya, guys! I'm so happy! Sobrang saya ko dahil sa dahon, hindi ako makapaniwala. Ang ganda! Grabe. Siguro agahan ko yung gising ko bukas, tsaka sa 16. Maglalakad talaga ako, guys. Look! Sobrang ganda. So beautiful! Look at that! Thank you, Lord! Gusto ko pa sana maglakad-lakad kaso kasi malapit na kami sunduin.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Guys, look at that. Yan yung mosque. Ang ganda, no? Sobrang ganda.
Kazakhstan is a Muslim-majority country, so visiting the central mosque gives you a real glimpse into the local culture.
I don't have to look no further, 'cause I've reached my destination.
So pretty. Oh man. I have one. We kept constantly Japan. That would be okay. Thank you. Hi everyone. It's currently 9 a.m. and dito kami ngayon sa Traveler's Coffee. Nag-order lang ako ng matcha. We're on our way to Big Almaty Lake. Pero since wala naman kami hinahabol na oras dahil customizing tour natin, nagpadaan kami sa coffee shop. And we're having our first matcha today. Aga ng call time namin, 8 a.m. Taste test! Ay! Sarap! Ay, ang sarap! Uy!
May sweet.
Honey! Sarap! This is only 1,300 something tenge. Mga 140 something. Mga ganun lang. Mga 140, 150 pesos.
Definitely, ang sarap.
Masarap siya, pero
Kulang ko lang sugar.
kulang ka ng sugar. Pero for me, okay ha. Sa mga non-matcha lovers, magugustuhan nyo pa rin siya kasi hindi super strong yung matcha nila. Wala pa ako nasasayang na order sa trip na to. So far, lahat ng in-order kong food, nagugustuhan ko naman. Napansin ko, mura lang naman yung mga food dito. Para ka lang din nag-BGC, ganun. Actually, medyo mas mura pa nga eh. Tapos yung Grab nila dito, since 6 kami naghati yesterday, parang tigwa 100 lang kami. Kahit nung 2 lang kami ni Tel na nag-Grab from airport to our hotel, tigwa 145 lang kami. So parang, ang mas mahal lang talaga is yung plane ticket. Kasi from Manila to Kazakhstan, mapatak ng mga 40,000 to 80,000 pataas. Pero yung experience na makukuha nyo dito, guys, sobrang worth it. Sobrang worth it. And take advantage nating mga Pilipino na visa-free dito sa Kazakhstan. And sana it will remain visa-free forever. Kasi grabe, babalikan talaga. I swear. OA. Guys, nito na kami sa kukuha na namin ng e-bike. And para siyang bahay. Ayan. Guys, we booked our tour with Almaty Nomads and we are here sa rental nila ng mga e-motorbikes. Tingnan nyo, may mga gear sila dito. Look at that! Yan yung gagamitin natin. Akala ko din bike. Wait, hindi ko to alam. Pagano na kami. Kailan kami ng waiver. Ito yung mga listahan. Pag may nasira ka, may price list yung every parts ng motor. Hindi pa yung price list ng mga parts ng motor na babayaran mo kapag may nasira ka. Oh my gosh. Kinakabahan ako pero nai-excite ako. Kaya nagayan natin. Kinakabahan ako. Ako din nga. Do you have bike? The pedal? Do you have pedal? Pedal bike?
No, I need a normal bike.
Normal bike you cannot ride because it's like up for 10 kilometers.
Fuck, mommy!
But our friends yesterday, they bike to Almaty Lake.
Let's go get extra plus.
Okay, how much would it be for the driver? Really? How much?
10,000 please. 10,000.
Oh, he's a very...
How much for the driver?
950k.
How much?
Almost 1 million.
Almost 1 million. Почти 1 million.
Yes, I will. I will tell you. What do you want?
Kailangan, yun yung
I-joke
number
mo na
one
lang.
requirement. Dapat artista ka.
Uy, grabe, hindi
Pareho.
You try?
I'll try. But if I can't, you go with me.
Let's go!
It's very
We are
strange.
getting
You
ready
just sit
na.
it later on.
Kinakabahan ako. Mag-survive kaya namin yung araw na to. Gusto ko yung pink. Gusto ko white naman.
White.
Guys, magkasuot tayo ng baklava. This is me. Hindi ako makahinga. Sana safe tayo. We will be safe. Let's be safe.
Guys, to be honest, I know how to ride a motorcycle but I'm nervous kasi hindi ko siya madalas ginagawa and it's my first time doing it abroad. I'm low-key scared din kasi first time ng friends natin and they don't really know how to ride. But to be fair, Almaty Nomads sent us a photo of the bikes we'd be using and we all agreed but we didn't expect the vehicles to be a bit intimidating in person. Ginaw pa rin namin, wala naman silang hinanap na driver's license, all we did was sign the waiver and nagbigay lang kami ng copy ng passport. We booked our tour with Almaty Nomads on Instagram. You can DIY the big Almaty tour actually. Either you can rent a regular bike or hike, although hiking takes around 3 to 4 hours depending on your pace. We went for a private tour instead because it felt safer, plus it's more convenient with an English-speaking guide and we had more control over our schedule. For those of you who really don't know how to ride a bike or e-scooter and don't feel like walking, I suggest coordinating with Almaty Nomads for more options. My other friends actually made it to Big Almaty Lake too because they took a van. I know it's not really encouraged and the latter option isn't guaranteed, but they found a local who offered a ride.
Guys, medyo late pa kami ng 1 hour dun sa tour namin. Pero we're still here kasi nagpa-practice muna sila Jai, sila Tel, and si Flo kung paano yung motor. This is electric, guys. So, yung nabook naming tour, ito yung included nila. They advise us naman kung kaya namin magsakay ng ganito. And then sabi namin yes, kasi nag-agree kami lahat. Pero hindi pa pala sila nakakapag-try magmotor. So, kung magbubook kayo sa Almaty Nomads and hindi kayo marunong sumakay ng motor, try to ask kung paano yung bike naman. May e-bike sila as in yung may pedal. But this one, I think medyo risky siya kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-try mag-motorbike talaga. So, yes. 60,000 kapag may driver. Magaan lang kami dito sa may checkpoint, guys. Nakaandar na kami. Guys, kamusta kayo? Tel, kamusta ka? Kamusta ka, Tel? Ano nga sa'yo?
Wala naman. Kasi may nag-park kasi na car. Kaya kailangan ko.
Okay, pero hindi ka naman napano?
Wala naman.
Okay. Pero parang it's not hard, no? As we think
Kasi
it
na,
is.
ano mo na yung balance.
Yes! Akin to, no? Akin tong black. Ito yung motor ko, guys. This is
I used to jump without love. Didn't care if I fell too hard. Now I keep my hands in my pockets. Overthink every scar. I've traded daisy chains for loose ends and all connection. I've traded summer breaks for long nights and lost direction. I know I've made mistakes, but never learned my lesson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where did she go? I swear she was just here, running the show, so unafraid. Wish I could go back to those days. Where did she go? Is she hiding in me? Behind dreams I used to dream. Help me see the world the way I used to do. I was just crying. I used to wish on dandelions, just blowing home to the breeze. Now I'm scared to make a simple promise, when nothing stays the way it seems. Where did she go? I swear she was just here, running the show.
I will never forget this day, how we reached one of the most beautiful lakes we've ever seen on e-scooters. I wasn't sure if we made the right choice at first, but we went for it anyway and we succeeded. Definitely a story I will tell my kids one day.
I was just growing.
Hi everyone! It's currently 11:42 and ngayon ko lang nahawakan yung cellphone ko kasi binigay ko to sa guide kanina para may video kami. Look at that! Ang lamig na yun. Nag-gloves na ako kasi sobrang lamig. Bakit na tayo ngayon sa Big Almaty Lake? Wow! Look at that view! Woo! Wow! Woo! Look at that view! Taas na guys, kailangan ko mag-ingat. Stop muna ako, wala na akong kasama. Guys, nawawala sila, kinakabahan ako. Yung cellphone ko nandun sa guide namin, sinundan niya si Cristel. Tapos ako naiwan ako dito. But sharks, look at that view. Wow. Wow. Ang ganda! Guys, this is the most beautiful lake I've ever seen in my entire life. It's so beautiful. Oh my. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Wow. Wow. It's so beautiful. Sobrang ganda. Tingnan nyo guys. Look. Nandito kami sa parking area. As you can see, ito yung mga motor na ginamit namin. And guys, look. Sobrang ganda. Ang ganda. You know what guys? This lake was formed by the melting glaciers. It's so beautiful. No filter guys. Welcome to Almaty! Wow! Ganda! Look at that view. Look at that view, guys. And yan din daw yung main water supply ng Almaty. Kaya bawal mag-swimming. Tapos may mga areas na bawal yung puntahan. Grabe. Shucks, sobrang ganda. Wow. No filter. No filter. Tara, baba tayo dun. Silipin natin kung ano yung itsura ng lake sa malapitan. Grabe.
I wrote a note the Sunday, symptoms like how I forget. Then washed my pants on Monday.
We made it to Big Almaty Lake. It's so beautiful. Woo! Dito pa lang, sobrang satisfied ko na. We're now here in Big Almaty Lake! Go tell!
Welcome to Big Almaty Lake, the main water source for Almaty City. This majestic lake was formed by melting glaciers and mountain ice. Its natural turquoise color changes slightly with the seasons, making it look different every time you visit. I've seen the two other lakes, but Big Almaty Lake truly hits different. Being here really made us feel like, yes, we're finally here in Kazakhstan. So yup, if you're planning a trip, skip everything else, but this is the one you don't want to miss.
Thank you, AirAsia! AirAsia! You're the best, AirAsia! Doon lang daw.
Dito?
Ang hirap buminga. $124 na. Dapat 1 nakabalik na kami. Ganda kasi dun, guys. Hi everyone! Good afternoon. It's currently 3 p.m. here in Almaty and we are here at Penka. This is one of the famous aesthetic restaurant and coffee shop here in Almaty City. And look at my background. Ang tahimik, ang lamig, everything is golden. Kahit saan ka tumingin, yung mga puno. Autumn na kasi, so it's gold. Everything is gold. And ang tahimik dito, it's like surrounded by condominiums and building because we are here in the city. Look at that. What we got, we deserve this after a long day. Big Almaty tour. I have here the blue matcha. This is the first time na ito try ko yung blue matcha. And Tel got the pink matcha. I'm so curious, but I like to taste tasteless one first. Haluin natin.
Sinubukan niya yung blue matcha ko first.
Hindi ako nag-vlog eh.
Okay. Hindi siya lasang matcha. Ang sarap, pero this parang hindi siya matcha eh. Parang siyang milk drink.
Parang milk siya.
This is not matcha for me, but I like this as a drink. So, maybe they just call it blue matcha for the vibe. For the vibe. Cheers! What's the best time to visit Almaty?
It's now. Because
Now,
you see different
like
colors. My favorite season is autumn in
Yeah.
October.
Oh my god.
How about spring?
Spring is nice because in spring you see the nature just waking up from the deep winter.
Oh,
Like
so the
very
ice is
fresh
melting.
leaves, the ice is melting, and everything is so fresh. Yeah.
What month is your spring?
Spring is March, April, and May. If you come at the 20s of March, so you will witness the Kazakh National New Year.
Ay, maganda. March 20.
Yeah, March 22 actually, the day of celebration, just 2 days come earlier. So you will see lots of festivities around the city, like the national plays, national shows, and the horse riding, and the Kazakh national dishes, and lots of clothing, national traditional stuff. Yeah. It is March 22, Kazakh New Year.
Kazakh New Year.
We call it Nowruz.
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 Yeah. N-A-U-R-Y-Z.
A lot of food.
Nowruz.
A lot of food around the city.
Are you gonna give us food?
Hi everyone, good afternoon. We are now here sa entrance ng Koktobe. Look! Sakay tayo ng cable car kasi meron sila ditong coaster. Fast coaster, 5,000. Wala bang English dun? Nakabili na ako ng ticket guys for cable car. Kasama ko si Flo, binayaran namin 4,500 tenge. One way lang paakyat kasi meron daw kayong choice na mag-bus pababa or mag-walk lang. Gusto namin i-try yung bus nila, so one way na lang yung binili namin. That's around 450 pesos. Cable car muna paakyat dun mismo sa Koktobe. Best daw dito to visit during sunset. Oh, paunahan. Parang LRT pala to guys. Naantay kami ngayon sa cable car. Parang wala silang pila guys, paunahan lang. Eh, mga big groups din yung kasabay namin. Tsaka parang rush hour na. Kasi best nga daw magpunta doon ng sunset. Pero wala nang sunset, bumaba ni araw. Sige. Guys, kasama ko si KJ, si Mari.
Hindi tayo mag-dinner sabay-sabay.
Wala pa si Kobe, guys. Hello po.
Ito po kami mga kababayan sa Kabuano. So cool kami na kung kayo bumibisita dito sa Kalasamitan.
Yeah. Here. Thank you. I got the tickets now. 5,000 yung coaster, guys. Pag adult. So, here it is. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Koktobe. Ang ganda, oh. Welcome to Almaty City.
Let's go. I'm chasing dreams, I'm chasing light. Pushing boundaries, taking flight. I keep my head high, never look back.
I'm so
No stopping now, I'm on the rise. I'm versatile, yeah, I'll flip the script, changing the game.
Kasalukuyan kaming naliligaw. Kasi bumaba kami kaagad ng van. Dapat yata hindi pa. Oo nga. Guys, kanina pa kami naglalakad ni Flo.
Yes, ayun, I found the highway.
Up and down yung lakad namin. Kasi tinry namin mag-bus pababa dun sa Koktobe. Imbis na mag-round trip na cable car. Dito yata. Let's go. We made it alive! Magnanavat na lang kami. Look! The famous for horse meat. Yun yung famous for horse meat.
Hi guys, we're here tonight mag-horse meat guys.
Ito yung welcome drink nila, cow's milk. I love their menu. May mga picture. I think iti-try natin to. Kasi famous sila for horse meat. And Navat talaga yung restaurant na highly recommended. Guys, taste test! Tender niya, guys. Wala siyang aftertaste, hindi siya malansa. Para lang din siyang beef. Merong extrang sabaw. Amoy bulalo.
Maalat siya, no?
Maalat-alat. Sarap. Pero guys, ang weird kasi noodles yung kapartner.
Isang bula yung...
Diba?
So yung lasa
May
guys
patis ba
ng
dyan?
horse meat is parang bula din.
Noodles, oh. Pero parang molo. Let's try. Bagay pala.
Masarap sa kanina yung onion with noodles. Like nagko-compliment.
Bagay, no? Potato.
Good.
Sarap. Yung eksena nitong order namin, para siyang wonton soup na may meat. Na may pagkabulalo yung sabaw. It's currently 4:17 a.m. Nakakaloka. Ang aga namin nag-aayos because today, mag-travel tayo with the whole AirAsia Traveler Squad. So, yung tour natin is sa mga lake and canyons. And so, maaga yung pick-up, 5 a.m. Kaya 4 a.m. pa lang gising na kami. Kasi super on time sila dito, guys. And mahaba yung araw natin today. Ina-expect namin na gagabihin kami. And malamig. So, this is my base. Mag-t-shirt lang ako sa loob because I believe that my jacket is warm enough.
And then, I'm gonna wear these pants. Color black na pants. Look. Kahapon, late na kami nakauwi gano'n. Hindi naman super late. 9 p.m. And then, nakatulog ako mga mag-11 p.m. na. And then, this is my winter jacket na I thrifted nung nagpunta tayo sa Baguio. Nag-ukay-ukay kasi kami, di ba, sa Benguet. Ang kaso nga lang, I have a problem. Pag tinanggal ko yung jacket, for sure, mamumuti yung t-shirt ko. But anyway, I need to be warm. And so, I have to wear this. Like this. Ang cute nito, guys. Kasi meron siyang wool sa loob. Tapos, meron pa siyang mga lock na ganito. Pang winter talaga siya. So happy with my outfits na nadala dito sa Almaty because it really protected me from the cold weather. And so, it served its purpose. I'm so happy. Ang dami niyang zipper. Meron pa dito sa kabila.
Good morning everyone. It's currently 5:55 and nandito na yung van na sasakyan natin. So today is our Kindy Lake tour. And so we are here. I'm so excited. Dito ako sa dulo.
Good morning, guys! Nasa convenience store kami. Kasi mahaba yung tour namin. Kailangan namin bumili ng mga food. Ang lamig ngayon. Pero naka-t-shirt ako kasi kaya ko pa naman.
Kasi maaga pa.
Oo, maaga pa kasi.
Uy, sarap.
Oh. Oh, hi! Good morning, Jesus! Ano yan? Ay! Yogurt! Morning, Ralphie! Nasaan tayo today?
We're here at the oil station. Hindi gas station na, oil station. Ganun kami sa Kazakhstan.
Oil station, guys. Ayusin niyo yung grammar niyo. Hindi kasi, guys, may language barrier dito. Kaya important na i-take note nyo kung ano yung ginagamit ng locals na mga terms nila. Pero bibili muna ako ng food. Tingnan nyo. Bibili muna kami ng food, guys. Kasi mahaba-haba ang biyahe. At ayaw ko magutom, sis. I got my cappuccino. I'm with KJ.
Ano po, ang HD naman ng camera mo.
Kasi triple SIM nga siya, sis. Sabi ni KJ, triple SIM daw yung phone natin, guys.
Любалаки, yes, and when you say your name, you can you say my name first, for example, yes, your name and something about you, one word. The third person have to say two of us and something about.
Oh my God!
Sample.
You have to memorize everyone. Kung sino yung nasa likod, yun yung
Oh my God! Lugi kami!
Carry ba natin to?
Kakayan! Kaya ba ng brain cells? Ang galing mo maabi.
Pwede magpatuloy.
One word lang. One word.
Guys, pwede mo dali. Yung ano, something, first letter ng name.
Yes.
Okay.
Hindi ko problema yan. Nauna ako.
Люба Лакия, and you?
Lupa, Laika, I'm Kyle. Dependable, maybe. Oh, okay.
Ano?
Dependable. Next. Kyle, dependable. And wow.
Yes.
Jai, spicy, Kobe, cat. Yeah. Who's next?
Kobe Cats, Phil Adventurous, Mary Carey.
Lupa, Lucky, Kyle Dependable, Tel Swifty, Jai Spicy, Phil Adventurer, Kobe Cats, Mary Caring, Tel Matcha. I did it! My brain is braining! EJ next.
EJ, Beehive.
Oh, yay!
Hi guys.
Nag-enjoy kami sa pag-games ni Lufa.
Like they'll see Korean.
Wife material!
Di ba, syempre na, hindi na lang isipin nila, wifey na lang.
Wifey, yeah, because we care a lot for other people.
Best tour ever. May free massage, guys. I-book niyo to. Inundok ako, sis! Oh my God!
Talaga namin papunta.
Ay, ikaw naman mamaya, i-massage kita. Hala, grabe siya! Ay, best tour ever.
Kasi pinahiram niya ako ng earphone. Kaya i-massage ko
May
siya.
free massage. Grabe naman! Oh my God!
Insert coin ha kasi 5 minutes na lang.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open.
At the Charin National Park. And hindi ko alam kung nasaan sila. Okay lang ba? I don't know kung nasaan sila. Pero sobrang ganda dito. Ayun yung visitor center. Nag-CR lang ako dyan. May mga nakikita akong tent. May mga coffee shop din, guys. Whew. And I think pwede kayong magstay dun, no? Pwede kayong mag-camp, guys. Guys, tingnan nyo yan, no? May mga tent dito. Wow! Guys, make sure ha, yung mga do's and don'ts. Magsuot kayo ng proper na damit kasi malamig na yon. Always check kung ano yung weather nila kapag magbe-visit kayo. Right now, it's so cold. Kasi nasa kalagitnaan tayo ng autumn and also ng winter. Medyo windy dito. Aircon weather na may electric fan. Yun sa may background may mga tent. Dun sa taas na area, yun yung visitor center. Dun tayo nag-park, guys. Hindi na kami nagbayad ng entrance fee kasi nag-book kami ng tour and yung tour guide na namin yung nag-aasikaso ng lahat. Guys, let me show you something amazing again! Look! What the heck? It's so beautiful. Wow! We are here! Oy! Oh my gosh! Dear Ganda! Oh my God! Dear! Second life na niya! Shit, girl! Grabe! JC, if you're watching this, I miss you so much! Nakita mo ba kung gaano katama yung hawak ko, babe? Ang ganda dito! Oh, wow! Wow! Grabe! Sobrang ganda!
The Charin National Canyon Park is a must-visit destination in Kazakhstan. It's known for its natural, stunning landscape of layered sedimentary rock formations. This canyon was formed over about 12 million years. Located in the southeastern Kazakhstan, it takes around 3 to 4 hours by car to reach Charin from downtown Almaty. It's close to the Kazakhstan-China border, and the best way to get here is by private tour or car. If we had more time, we would have tried some of the activities here like hiking down into the valley, kayaking on the Charin River, or even spending the night camping in one of the yurts. It's a protected area, so make sure to follow the rules and help preserve the canyon's beauty.
Pwede kayo pumunta doon, kaso parang malayo yung lakad. We only have 40 minutes here. Look! Wow! Ang ganda, oh! Parang kung wala sa sa earth. Ang ganda! pero itong buong mountains, walang snow. Unlike dun sa kabilang part na pinuntahan natin kahapon, sa Shimbulak Mountain. Grabe. Parang wala ka sa Earth. Welcome to Mars! OMG, ang ganda! I'm so happy to be here. Wow.
Welcome to the Moon Canyon, also called the Valley of the Moon. It got its name because from above, it literally looks like a crescent moon. From here, you can also get a really nice view of the Sharin River. And there's also a spot where you can rent traditional Kazakh outfits, which is pretty cool. Out of the 3 canyons we've seen, this one is honestly my favorite. The lake here, with those golden trees, gives such a nice contrast to the canyon.
Guys, dito na kami ngayon sa 3rd Canyon. Dito na daw yung border ng China and Kazakhstan. Kaya yung dinaanan namin, may mga area doon na pinagtataguan ng mga sniper.
We finally reached the 3rd and last canyon today. People also call it the Black Canyon, and one of the coolest spots here is something known as Witch's Gorge. According to old legends, this is where witches gathered for their rituals, and they would toss unlucky travelers off the stone pillars into the darkness. They said it's just folklore, but who knows? But the only real mysterious thing I'm sure here is the dark, dramatic rock formations that give the place its name.
See the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain. Bring your life back.
Vinegar?
Sobra. As in apple, as in...
Yeah, pamoy.
I-shot ko na lang.
Pamoy gilgili.
May ang pangukwa. Nakakala daw yun. Ay, yun. Kaya feeling ko ha, to be honest, gabi ako kumain, pero dahil sa vinegar daw. Parang papayat ka daw. Kasi lahat ng food na may George, may vinegar.
Dati nga yung apple cider.
Diba? Totoo daw yun, lahat ng vinegar. Parang hindi ka man doon taba. Gabi ako kasi kumain eh. Pero hindi ako masyado taba. Kasi sa vinegar.
So, pili ka na lang kung tataba ka
Or wala kang ngipin.
Teto na lang ako sa taba. Kaya ko namang i-gym.
Nagtanggal ako ng jacket guys kasi naiinitan ako. Ang tirik na ng araw dito. Nag-stop by kami sa isang area na pwede mag-toilet. Maganda kayo ng barya ha kasi merong 100 tenge na bayad pag magsi-CR. It's currently 10:30. Nakaka-3 na kaming canyon.
Okay, 10:35 sa oras.
Pasok sa time. Nag-CR lang kami guys. Nakakaloko kasi kada destination, kahit dito sa CR, sobrang bilang na bilang yung oras. Pero kinakaya pa naman. Oh my God.
Po, matutulog po muna kami kasi 1 hour and 10 minutes approximately papuntang lunch.
Yes, pero finally nakatatlo na. No?
Sobrang hectic ng schedule namin yan. As in.
Pero guys, mahirap to i-DIY.
Oo nga,
Yeah,
mahirap
mahirap
i-DIY.
i-DIY.
Kasi ang layo-layo.
Compared sa iba.
Para mag-Tagalog, yung layo ito kayo siya.
Okay lang yan, ta-translate mo na lang mamaya.
Pero mahirap din natin alam saan yung mga places. Yun lang.
Pero it's definitely worth the risk. The hapoy.
Worth
What's
the
hapoy?
pagod.
The
Pagod.
pagod. Oh.
Worth the pagod. Uulit-ulitin kung mabibigyan ng chance. Uulitin-ulit namin.
Ngayon, papunta na kami sa China.
China, kasi border na daw to. Tsaka diba, the legend daw dito is may mga witch daw na lumilipad.
Kanina, Hunger Games. Ngayon, Hansel and Gretel.
Oh my gosh, parang kami nasa movie.
Oo,
Hansel and Gretel.
Sobrang sakto naman.
Hello guys.
the table called dastarkhan. Guys, cousin believe if will be the empty space on the table, it means that we are not wealthy. As you see, there is no empty space on the table, so we are wealthy and we're glad to see you here. And we serve.
Ang sarap no? Ito yung masarap. Ito yung masarap.
Parang sili.
Sarap ng pansit mo.
Pwede mag-chardon.
Something sweet.
May condensed.
Parang Coco Crunch na ano.
Zip it.
Parang fruit.
Pang-achar.
Dito na item mo.
Strap po. Strap.
Oo, ubusin mo daw.
Umiti ka daw kapag
She tells like if you don't eat the soup, she will take a fee from you.
Pressure ako ha.
Baka sa
nervous
yan.
breakdown.
Yung isa yung dates. Sarap.
Ang mahal niya.
Ang aso ng vinegar. Yan yung pasalubong ko sa pera. Kasi ako vinegar, bibili ako dito.
Yung chocolate.
Grabe guys, pati yung pagkain. May timer. Nag-enjoy naman kami, pero medyo nakaka-pressure. Tapos nakita namin yung ibang AirAsia Traveler Squad from Indonesia naman sila. I'm so happy. Wow! Guys, yung dinadaanan natin puro Christmas tree. Ayan! Grabe! Wow! Ang ganda! Thank you! Sobrang ganda as in.
Parang nalapas si What Happened Bella, no?
Oo! Grabe! Oh my! Ang ganda! This is it. It's currently 12:39. Kailangan makabalik tayo dito ng 1:30. Mag-hike pa man din.
Babalik dito sa mismo.
Walang bus daw. Naghanap ng bus. Ewan ko. Wow, nice! Ganda! Let's go down! Let's go!
Let's go.
Na! Guys, look! It's so beautiful! Diba nag-shooting before? Ganda! Guys, we are now here sa Colsay Lake, pero bababa pa tayo. Mag-hike tayo for about 15 minutes. Looks like this. Parking. Oh my! Hi, eagle! Oh wow, it's so nice! Baby! Guys, makita may 5,000 tenge. Hello! May mga horsey! Yung mga horse! Guys, tingnan nyo, may eagle. Ang laki. Ang laki. Hi, eagle. Hi, eagle. Wow! Sobrang ganda! So nice!
video. Hala yung dance natin. Si Traveling Morena, guys.
Yes.
Follow niyo siya.
Kamusta experience mo?
It's so nice and it's new.
First snow country ko to.
First
Snow country.
Oh, first snow country. I experienced countries sa Japan, pero mas malakas yung experience ko. Almaty Lake.
Big Almaty Lake talaga. How much? 8,000.
8K?
Yes.
Yan naman gusto mo.
Parang nag-cramps yung leg ko.
Di ba nag-Riley? Papunta siya.
Baby. Oh, bakit ang bilis niya? Oh! Go, TJ. Oh my. Baby horsey, keep us safe, okay? Ah! Oh! OMG! Oh my God! Oh!
Please don't be angry, ha?
Ay! Ang bilis niya! Oh, shit! Hey, nagpapadali yung horse ko!
Ang bilis niya, uy!
Uy! Promise, we're safe?
Girls daw ang horse, kaya safe.
Oh, girly! Sister!
Oh my God!
Okay lang daw tayo. Nabibigatan lang siya sa atin yata. Ay, nagutom si sister.
Nagutom siya? Kobe?
Yes.
Kobe? Kobe?
Hello!
Yan. Hoy!
Shucks! Baby, bangin na to, babe. Baka madulas tayo.
Yung horse ko papuntang bakit. Sabihan mo, Flo.
Kausapin mo siya.
Lord, kilit ka muna, Lord.
Ay, shit! Nasa bangin na rin si Mari. Help! The horse is at the edge of the world. Ang bait nung kay Kobe. Baby girl, wag naman sa edge. Baka madulas tayo. We are here na. Guys, kakarating lang namin dito sa may lake. Nagbayad kami ng 8,000 tenge para dun sa ride ng horse. Mas madali kasi mag-horse kaysa mag-hike. We only have 40 minutes here, guys. Look at that view. Sobrang ganda. It's so beautiful. And it's cold now. Yes. Right?
If you don't mind, can we make a group picture with you with the flag?
Sure. Just 10,000 thanks.
Welcome to Kindy Lake. Ang ganda din dito.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way.
This is Kindy Lake. It was actually formed after a massive limestone landslide caused by the 1911 Kebin earthquake. The landslide blocked a gorge, and over time, it filled up with mountain water, creating this surreal lake. It's also famous with divers because there's an entire underwater forest beneath the surface. Kind of wild how something so beautiful came out of a disaster. It's a good reminder that sometimes we really have to go through tough seasons before we reach our most beautiful version.
Left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems and all of my problems and
Pabalik na kami, guys. Guys, I can't believe it.
The view sounds like...
Ang ganda, guys. Sana nandito si JC, guys. Nag-ice cream kami, guys. Nag-stop kami kasi 4 hours yung biyahe pabalik. So, nag-stop kami after 2 hours sa isang convenience store.
Let's try their local chocolate wafer ice cream.
Kahit malamig, nagkikrave pa rin ako ng ice cream. Buti na ako nag-aya sila. Wow. Akala ko Oreo siya, pero ano siya, coated syrup na tumigas. Parang yun. Pero pang nalalasahan ko yung sugar mismo dun sa chocolate. Pang buo-buo na ganun.
Guys, good evening. It's currently 10:38 p.m. here in Almaty. And grabe, natapos na namin yung tour today. Ang dami naming napuntahan. Meron kami napuntahan 3 canyon and then 2 lake. We are so tired. But grabe yung experience. Kung magkakaroon man ako ng pagkakataon, uulit-ulitin ko lahat ng ginawa namin sa buong trip na to. Super fun. Tawa lang kami ng tawa lahat. Tapos parang nape-pressure kami kasi ang dami namin. Tapos may mga kailangan kaming i-shoot na content na kailangan ng participation ng everyone. So, dun pa lang nakukonsume na yung time namin. Pinakamatagal na naming time sa mga destination is 40 minutes. And I feel like super na madali kami. Pero, when I'm looking back at those videos na na-film namin kanina, grabe, ang saya-saya. Kanya-kanya kaming trip, pero ang saya talaga. But anyway, mag-aayos lang muna kung blower lang ako ng buhok kasi malamig na malamig sa labas. So, hindi ako pwedeng lumabas na basa yung buhok ko. Baka magkasakit na naman tayo. In-update ko lang kayo and I'm so sorry kung hindi ganong maayos yung mga na-film ko kanina. I tried my best so I can give you guys the idea kung ano yung aabutan nyo dito sa Almaty kapag pinuntahan nyo siya.
Guys, nasa kami ngayon sa baba ng Airbnb ni Flo. Oh, lamig nga!
Ibang lamig ngayon.
Lamig! Lamig ang mga badeng! Wow!
Ay, laban.
Ay, nanginginig ako ng lamig.
Dapat, sabihan nyo na I love you.
Hindi ako nag-puffer. Ay! Lamig! Happy dinner!
Sorry!
Hi everyone, it's currently 3 a.m. here in Kazakhstan and wala lang, nag-bar hopping lang kami. Pero dance-dance lang kami mostly. Naka 2 drinks lang sila. Ako nag-cola lang ako dun sa unang bar na pinuntahan namin. Grabe, sobrang lamig! May time difference tayo, so kung 3 a.m. na dito, mga 5 a.m. na dyan. Look at that! So cold! So cold! I'm with Florence again. Tapos nasa likod si Jai, si Tel, and si Ralphie. I'm so excited to sleep. Pero sumama muna ako sa kanila. Para hindi ako magsisi kasi it's our last night here in Almaty.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel.
Hi everyone, we are now here at the Ascension Cathedral. Look at that, guys! Ang ganda! Guys, welcome to Ascension Cathedral. Look. Look. It's currently 11 a.m. And ngayon pa na kami makakapasok sa loob ng cathedral. Kailangan daw may cover yung head. I'm not sure if sa girls lang or sa boys din. Yeah, sa mga ladies, kailangan naka-cover yung head.
Dress code guys and opening hours tsaka yung mga rules.
Ascension Cathedral has to be one of the most beautiful churches you can see in Almaty. The colors and the details look like something out of a storybook, and it's one of the tallest wooden buildings in the world. At first, I thought it was a Catholic church, but no, it's actually Russian Orthodox. One of the big differences is that Catholics believe the Holy Spirit comes from both the Father and the Son, while the Orthodox Church teaches it comes only from the Father. And they don't have the same belief in purgatory. But regardless of what you believe, everyone is welcome here. There's no entrance fee, just a modest dress code. And if you're a woman, you'll need to cover your head. Don't worry, they have scarves by the door you can borrow. Another thing I love is that the cathedral is right inside Panfilov Park. So after visiting, you can just wander around, relax, take photos, because there's even this cute little spot here full of pigeons that's perfect for pictures.
Ecco il mio cuore, I'm giving you all my love. Sempre sarai tu il mio amore, my darling, my angel, my dove. If ever you would leave me, I think I would lay down and die. Oh, ecco il mio cuore. Now tell me your heart is mine.
Hello, Mary. Nice to meet you. You're so beautiful. And take photo? Sure. Where are you guys from?
China.
China. Thank you, Tian. Hi everyone! Grabe ang ganda dito sa Ascension Cathedral. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito yung vibe. There's a lot of birds right here. And then I also met some Chinese tourists. They are so beautiful! Hello! Nice to meet you, girl. You're so beautiful. Nice to meet you. I love you. I love you too!
Mabango yung tae ng ano.
Yeah! Guys, pupunta na kami sa Museum of Arts. Medyo nag-aabol na kami ng oras. Pero ang ganda dito sa may Ascension, yung park. Let's try this! Sabi na guys, cone siya na may cream sa loob. Pwede ba kami mix na lang Hi everyone, it's currently 1:53 p.m. here and bumalik kami ni Mary and Phil around the area ng Shimbolak. Dito kami sa restaurant na to. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link nung name ko anong restaurant kasi medyo mahirap siyang i-pronounce. And look at this view!
And just like that, the trip I dreamed about for so long is now a memory. It's crazy how you spend months looking forward to a place, imagining every moment, and then suddenly you're living it, and then it's over. I'm forever grateful for this experience, for the chance to see this dream come to life. I know I will replay these days in my head again and again. But for now, I'll end the vlog here. Thank you all always, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye!